This video shows how to replace an ink cartridge in the HP Envy 5540 printer. Replace any ink cartridges that are low or out of ink with genuine HP ink cartridges or HP Instant Ink cartridges. Instant ink cartridges are larger than regular cartridges, but are installed the same way. First, power on the printer. Pull out the paper input tray. Push the photo tray in as far as possible. Align a stack of plain white paper on a flat surface and load it into the paper input tray. Adjust the paper width guides until they touch the edge of the paper. Do not push the guides in so tightly that they bend the paper. Push in the paper input tray. If necessary, adjust the paper settings and then press OK. Locate the small handles on both sides of the printer and use them to lift the ink cartridge access door. Push down on the cartridge you need to replace. Remove the cartridge from the printer and set it aside for recycling. For information about recycling your used HP cartridges, visit hp.com/recycle. Remove the new cartridge from its packaging. Use the pull tab to remove the plastic tape from the cartridge. Do not touch the copper-colored contacts or ink nozzles. Touching these can result in clogs, ink failure, and bad electrical connections. Make sure you install the replacement cartridge in its correct slot, tricolor on the left and black on the right. Hold the cartridge by its sides, then slide it in the open slot. Push the cartridge up and towards the rear of the printer until it snaps into place. If necessary, replace the other cartridge. Close the ink cartridge access door. A message appears on the printer control panel saying that a new, genuine HP ink cartridge was installed. Touch OK. An alignment is necessary to calibrate the printer with the new cartridge or cartridges. Touch OK to print an alignment page. You must scan the alignment page to complete the alignment process. Lift the scanner lid. Use the markings next to the scanner bed as a guide and place the page print side down in the lower right corner of the scanner glass. Close the scanner lid. Touch OK on the printer control panel. The alignment page scans and an alignment successful message appears. Touch OK. The ink cartridges are aligned and the printer is ready to use. You can find additional helpful videos at hp.com/support videos and on our YouTube channel, youtube.com/HP printer support.